You need that part today. ifndautoparts provides buyers and sellers with various options to sell and get parts that they need quickly and conveniently. Say hello to your car parts now with Click and Collect. So how does that work? Click and Collect means you pick them up directly from the seller. If a seller offers Click and Collect, you'll find it right on the listing page under Shipping and Returns. Check the item's location and make sure you are able to collect it. If you have an account, you can message the seller to get more details on the pickup location and make the arrangements. At the checkout, select the Click and Collect options and complete your purchase. You'll receive an email with the collection address and the collection code. You'll need to present this code to the seller to pick up and confirm your collection. Then it's over to you to arrange a time with the seller to collect your item. Businesses will typically list their collection times and days on the listing. For private sellers, it is best to contact them directly to arrange a convenient pickup time and a day. Now, roll up to the pickup spot, meet the seller and hand over your collection code. They will enter this into the platform to confirm the collection of the item. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast like myself, professional mechanic or anything else in between, ifndautoparts Click and Collect is here to transform your car parts shopping journey. The only place you should be using to buy and sell your car parts.